Hi, happy Wednesday. So I wanted to show you a quick video on how I'm expecting you to complete this work. Give me 1 second. Let me show you the student view. So this is what you'll see. You'll scroll down to week 2 again, because that's what we're on. And I'm talking about Wednesday's work, so I'm going to click on Wednesday Math. Here's your quick video to remind you what you're doing. It's practicing division. So you've had 2 days of multiplication, and now you'll have 2 days of division. So after you do that, here's your division practice. You'll open it up, and you'll see 9 problems. So on paper at home, I want you to complete these 9 problems. Now, I want you to show me the work after you complete that. So make sure, 1, that your paper after you complete your work is not all scribble scrabble, please. Lay it out nicely, number it 1 to 9 so I can truly see how you did. And if there was something that you need help on, I can see that as well very clearly. So now that I've done my work at home, I'm going to come here and click Submit Assignment. And I want to upload a picture is what I want you to do. So on your Chromebook computer, whatever you're using, you're going to find the camera, and I'm sure you can find it better. I'm going to search it, and here's my camera. And I'm going to hold up my work to the camera and take a picture of it. So now that that's saved, I can come here to choose File. And it'll find under camera, and there's the picture I just took. You might have to look here under pictures, camera roll, and it's currently there. And then you can type in my division work if you want to add anything to it. If you want to tell me I had trouble with number 5, you can tell me what trouble you had so I can really focus in on that question so I see what you did, and then you'll simply do Submit Assignment. When you submit it, you should have some fun confetti come in like this on the page showing me that you got it done. Let me know what questions you have.